Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Signal Private Messenger app on your Mac, but I'll be showing you the steps through my iPhone that is the latest version. So you just have to follow my guide step by step. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to download it on Mac. So now you have to simply open your browser on your phone, on your MacBook, and in there you have to type signal.org.or/download. Now scroll down and under Signal for desktop, click on download for Mac. You will find it right here as you can see on my phone as well. Once the installer file finishes downloading, double click it and drag the Signal app icon into your application folder on your MacBook, and finally open Signal from applications and you are ready to log in using your phone. You can simply use your phone number to log in your MacBook as well, and that's it guys. You now have Signal Private Messenger running on your MacBook. Super handy for chatting securely across every devices that you own. And don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the next tutorial for more Signal. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.